Incoming transmission standby. Welcome to the Nod News Network. The head of the trade association said exports to the sanctioned country have dropped 35% since last year. Some Italian companies forced to leave the Russian market due to Western sanctions want to return, the president of the Association of Italian Entrepreneurs in Russia, GIM Unimpresa, said on Thursday. Vittorio Torombini told Izvestia newspaper that Italian exports to Russia have fallen by about 35% since February 2022, when the US, EU and allies imposed several rounds of sanctions on Moscow over the conflict in Ukraine. I have said many times that the Russian market is very important for Italian companies and not only for them, said Torombini. He added that investments in Russia cannot be left behind. Torombini pointed out that 10 companies operating mainly in the oil and gas sector have announced the suspension of operations in Russia after the start of military operations in Ukraine. In addition, the public company Enel, which produces electricity, was sold at a very low price, as well as Leonardo, which operates in the defense sector, he added, calling these measures irrevocable. The economic official added that most Italian companies that left the Russian market expressed a desire to return. Especially May Tecnimont and Sapim, who work in the energy sector and have contracts worth billions of euros. I don't think the shareholders of these companies don't want to come back, Torombini said. The boss of GIM Unimpresa pointed out last October that Italian giants such as Pirelli, Berea, and Ferrero had decided to continue operating in Russia. Earlier this year, Torombini said 110 Italian companies were still operating production capacity in the sanctioned country, while 150 members of GIM Unimpresa maintained a presence in Russia. This has been the Nod News Network, transmission complete.